Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Fortnite game on Android devices. Let me tell you that Fortnite has returned to the Google Play Store after 6 years, and now you can download the Fortnite game or Fortnite app directly from Play Store on your Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open Google Chrome and in Google search for Fortnite Play Store, and then you can click on the first result, that is a Google Play result Fortnite, or you can also click on install button, and this will open the Google Play Store, and then you will see the Fortnite game with the install button. So click on this install button to install the Fortnite game on your Android phone. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download and install Fortnite game or Fortnite app from Google Play Store on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.